Welcome to the Golden City, Jaisalmer. On arriving Jaisalmer station, took an auto to Jostel Jaisalmer, which is inside the Jaisalmer fort. After 10 minutes of ride, got the first glimpse of yellow sandstone walls of famous Sonar Kella. After getting down from the auto at the entrance of the fort, entered the fortress through Akai Pol. This is a 12th century fortress, stand atop a triangular hill and has 3 layers of walls and 4 imposing gates. It is also known as Sonarkella or Golden Fort as it is made of yellow sandstone. When the light is right, it appears like as if it is carved in gold. This is the third gate, Ganesh Pol or Ganesh Pol. Pol means gate. Jaisalmer is known worldwide for producing exquisite handicraft items. Traditional rugs, embroidery dress materials, antique stonework products of Jaisalmer makes this place a shopper's paradise. Jaisalmer Fort is one of the very few living forts in the world where people still reside inside the fort. Different types of Rajasthani handicrafts and home decorative items are available here. Colorful wedding invitations are painted on the outside walls of many houses. Colorful shops, houses, hotels, guest houses are lined up beside the narrow winding lanes. Cool shadows inside the lanes are great relief in this hot September weather. Shopkeepers of these colorful shops vying for the attention as they try to sell products like handicraft items, leather products, colorful garments. After 15 minutes of walking, reach Jostel, where I'll be staying in a dormitory. From the rooftop of Jostel, you could see the stunning view of Jaisalmer city during sunset.
Twenty-three generations before, we were all belongs to one family. We are the children of one person. When you're walking in the forest, you can see there are so many Ganeshas in front of the houses.
कैसा है हेलो
All the
आवाज
houses
नहीं आ
there
रही
is a
क्या?
Ganesha. Mukul ki body, which is been finished. But I can show you. Come quickly.
Yes.
One thing. Now doors are open for 24 hours. And feel like a family. You are part of our family. So be happy here, enjoy here.